Okay, this is the watch with its battery broken. As you can see, it's charging with its cable and the charger. Okay, I'm going to switch it on to show the problem. It seems that it is okay. Okay, it is switching on as always, but let's wait until it is turned on. Come on. It seems that it is okay, but however, if you disconnect its base from the charger, you can see what is going to happen. Okay, have you seen what it has happened? It is switch it off, and if I connect it again, the battery, which was at 77%, now it is at 0. It is a less level, and it is switch it off. If I disconnect it again and I take the watch from from its base and I connect it again, and I try to, as you can see, it doesn't turn on. I am pressing the button, but the watch doesn't turn it on. So the main problem is that the battery is totally dead. It can work while the watch is connected to its base, but if you disconnect it from its base, it doesn't work. Okay, so this is the problem, and I want to demand a total refund because the watch is 10th month since I have buy it. So for this reason, I want a total refund of the watch. Thank you.